I grew up on the Bremerton Naval Base while my dad was serving on the USS Kitty Hawk. Now, I'm not going to name the year, but I think you can, if you know anything about the Navy, you can probably go back and see the timeline there. But when I got into the mortgage industry in 2008, it didn't take me long to realize that there was an underserved community, and it was our veterans. It was our active duty servicemen and women and veterans. Sadly, real estate agents were misunderstood. Sadly, sellers thought that they had to pay additional fees if it was a veteran using a VA home loan. It took longer to close, that the VA appraisers were horrible. All of those are myths. So what I did is I made a commitment back in 2008 to make sure that I became an expert in this loan program, because so very few were. I was not going to leave a benefit that you earned by putting your life on the line for my freedom. I wasn't going to leave that up to an amateur to misrepresent you at their bank. So I became a pro. I became an advocate for you. I went out speaking at real estate offices, talking about the benefit of the VA home loan and how it can help our active duty servicemen and women and our veterans, that it wasn't a complicated loan program. So what I've done to show you that is I've built this resource center for you, this page. Now, we help a lot of people in Snohomish, King, Island County and Skagit County, and even Pierce County finance real estate using their VA benefit. And what I have found at this resource center is a huge help. We make it super simple for you. What you're going to find here is two things. You're going to find a link to our secure online application. That's where you're going to get me all the information, personal information, but you're going to input that so that it's accurate. The second thing you're going to find is you're going to find a list of all the items that I'm going to need from you to fully underwrite and approve you up front. What that's going to do is that's going to give you confidence, and that's going to give you clarity as you enter the housing market and try to put an offer on a house and ultimately win the home you love. Now, the last thing that you're going to find here are answers to questions that you don't even know that you have right now. I've built this resource center, this page for you. But as always, if you need anything, I want you to reach out. My door is always open. Who you work with matters. There's a reason why I have been at New American Funding for the majority of my 18-year career. New American Funding is a direct VA lender, no overlays. They've created a streamlined process because they share the same approach I do, that you've earned a benefit. Let's make it simple. Let's make it easy for you, not more complicated. We're advocates for you. So as you continue through the pre-approval process, I want you to know that not only me, but New American Funding are behind you, and we support you all the way. Now, one last thing. Every single month, I hold a VA homebuyer class. We talk about market conditions. We talk about some of the things that we're seeing in the market, some things that you need to know about not only the VA benefit, but just buying a house, how to become more competitive, things that you need to know specifically to different market changes, types of properties like condos or manufactured homes or single family homes, all of that good stuff. It's about an hour long. I bring goodies in. Obviously, it's free. It's right here at our office in Everett. If you'd like to attend one of those, just RSVP down below, and I'll make sure that we save a seat for you, okay? And make sure you tell one of your colleagues, one of your veteran or active duty servicemen or women friends that we're doing this in the community. I want to spread the word, because I believe that the more that you have advocates out there in the community, we can change the perspective on this loan program, on this benefit that you've earned. I look forward to working with you. If you need anything, please reach out. I'm always here for you.